All right, so I'm just taking some refried beans that I warmed up and I'm putting them on the bottom of my plastic cups. You can use glass if that's what you prefer. Just quickly get a nice scoop on each layer, just like that. Beautiful. Grab a little spatula and kind of just flatten it out, just super quick. Doesn't need to be perfect. We just kind of want it to be flat so our other layers can just go on as smoothly as possible. Oh yeah, those beans smell delicious. All right, now I'm gonna go ahead and grab everyone's favorite sour cream, Daisy, and we're gonna do a dollop of Daisy right on top. Ooh yeah, doesn't that look so creamy?
Whoa, look at the consistency differences. What are we making today?
You will see, this is gonna be the best trick you've never tried for parties. Go ahead and grab your spatula again. I wiped it off and we're gonna smooth out that sour cream, just like this. We wanna kind of just get nice, pretty layers inside of here and you'll see why.
I know what you're making.
Yeah.
I can tell.
So good, so easy, and it's gonna be super quick. It's literally the quickest little app you'll ever make. Now I'm gonna grab some pico, and I just got the pre-made pico. You guys can make your own. I know you guys are gonna get mad at me for buying the pre-made stuff, but you know what? I try to make my own and it never tastes as good as the store-bought. So, you know, if you have a good pico recipe that you can send my way, drop it in the comments and I'll try it out. But for now, I'm just gonna use the store-bought because that's what I like and that's what makes my party goers happy.
I'm happy every time I eat it.
Yeah, exactly. Okay, just quickly, I'm gonna do a nice thick layer of the pico because that's my favorite part of this appetizer. Yummy. Doesn't that look so fresh and delicious?
I'm literally, my mouth is watering looking at this. So.
I don't blame you. It's literally so delicious. All right, flatten these out super quick because I want to get to that next layer. I'm too excited. Yum, yum. All right, now this is gonna be everyone's favorite layer. We got some chunky guacamole. Ooh, yeah.
Guacamole.
And you know what? I went again and bought that store-bought stuff. You guys can come at me in the comments, but I'm trying to make a quick and easy recipe for you guys. And if I went on the side and made a whole thing of guacamole, that would just take forever. So, you know, I'm doing the store-bought stuff. It stays fresh for much longer and it tastes delicious. It tastes just as good as homemade to me.
Define fresh.
It stays like not brown.
I like not brown.
All right, get a nice thick layer. These are almost done, you guys. We just want to use as much of this guacamole. Smells delicious. Is that what you're gonna say?
It has such a good aroma, the avocado.
I love guacamole. Okay, that looks good enough. Come back with our spatula. Using the same spatula each time. I'm just wiping it off so that it doesn't, you know, blend any of those layers. Ooh, see, look how creamy but chunky that is. You cannot go wrong with this store-bought guac.
Oh, it looks so good.
Yeah, okay, we are almost done, you guys. I am too excited. We just have a few more things, just a couple more things. This is optional, some sliced olives. I know that's not everyone's favorite, but we're just gonna sprinkle them right on top. Oh, that one got too many.
Don't you like that many?
I like olives, but some people don't like olives, so, you know, I don't wanna get too crazy. Look, I'm running out of them.
Oh no, just grab some from the front then, huh?
Yeah, you already knew I was gonna do that.
Ooh, it
Beautiful.
does look so good though.
Yeah, I mean, you can't go wrong with some olives. Now, your favorite part,
Yay.
Mexican shredded cheese. Yummy. And we're gonna sprinkle that right on top. Yum, yum, yum. And we can go a little crazy with the cheese because we got a lot of cheese to serve up.
I mean, I can't have these. I'm allergic to guacamole.
What? Since when?
You know this.
I'm just kidding. Don't worry, I made a little non-guac one on the side for you. All right, quickly get your cheese in there, and you can use whatever cheese you like. I'm using the Mexican blend for obvious reasons. This is a Mexican inspired dish. Beautiful. Okay, get those extra cheese slices right in there. We don't want to waste anything. Clean up your workspace as you go. That's my method of cooking.
Yeah, but you don't have to put it in the dish.
Why waste it?
I mean, I guess.
All right, now we have some green onions, and we are gonna just do a nice little sprinkle, just like that, nothing crazy. And yes, I bought the pre-chopped green onions. You guys are gonna be like, this is not fresh, everything comes out of a container. And I'm gonna be like, well, someone cut it fresh.
I mean, what if you're making these for a party of like 60? You can't just cut everything.
I'm not gonna cut everything. I mean, I'm making this for a party of 6, which is, 1 0 less than 60, but
Yeah,
I'm still gonna buy the pre-cut stuff.
still a lot of people.
All right, last and final ingredient, and then we're gonna dig into this 7-layer dip, individual 7-layer dips. The one thing I really hate is waiting in line to dip my chip into my 7-layer dip, so I made individual ones. And I have some tomatoes that my lovely assistant Kyra cut up for me. She is so great at chopping, and I'm just gonna pop those right on top of our beautiful 7-layer dip. Ugh. Don't those look so fresh? These are fresh. You can't buy tomatoes already chopped up. So, all right, there's your guys' fresh if you wanted fresh stuff. Beautiful. Oh my, I am so excited. Look how cute these turned out. They are just little cups of heaven. And of course, we have to dig into these. I got my favorite tortilla chips, the Tostitos Cantina.
Those are my favorite too.
For the Cantina, you can't get the other stuff. You have to get the Cantina. It's extra crispy and salty and delicious.
Most restaurants have the Cantina style chip.
Yes, exactly. Okay, which one should I get?
I just do a close one to me, that way I can see it.
Okay, I'm gonna get this one with all the olives since, I'm an olive lover. Let's see if I can dig all the way through. Oh, I knew that was gonna happen.
It always breaks.
Oh.
Maybe we can do like little plastic spoons.
Oh.